the Mountaintop Adventure 60-liter hiking backpack. Now this is a very lightweight backpack. It only weighs about 4 pounds. So if you're petite, it's a very good backpack. It's also very adjustable, so if you're tall, it's no problem either. I can show you some of the tags on here. As you can see, it does say it has YKK zippers and buckles, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the zipper it does actually say YKK, and then the same thing here on the buckle. So it is genuine. The fabric is a ripstop nylon. It does come with a sample, so when you receive the backpack you can test it out to see the quality, but it is a very durable ripstop nylon. We can start at the bottom of the backpack. So there are loops at the bottom of the backpack that you can use to attach a sleeping bag or a sleeping mat. Another function for them is for trekking poles. You have these soft loops here so that you can easily slip a trekking pole or an ice pick if you're in an Arctic environment all the way through. And this at the top is adjustable as well. Here at the bottom you also have a separate compartment for a rain cover, which is great because not all backpacks come with extra rain cover. The material is water resistant, but if you are in a wet environment, the rain cover is what you'll need. So it has a separate compartment to keep that in for easy access. The next thing we'll look at is these compression straps on the top. If your backpack is full, you can tighten these all the way down, and it'll help to keep everything snug so things don't get jumbled around. Another function for them is another place for a tent or sleeping pad, so you can stick it all the way through and adjust it as needed. And one thing I really like about this backpack is it has these extra elastic straps. So if you're petite like me, then you end up having to tighten everything up all the way, and then you have all these extra straps. But these help to keep all the straps from dangling all around the backpack, which is really nice. Also has a dedicated sleeping bag compartment. It has dual zippers. So when you open up the sleeping bag compartment, it's a good size. It has an extra flap here, so you can actually section it off for the sleeping bag compartment, or you can open this up and have one big compartment for everything. So that's up to you, your preference. The next thing we can move on to is here in the front. It has daisy chains, which are great if you like to carry extra carabiners for extra supplies. It has lots of places to hook them on. On the side, you do have a water bottle pouch on each side. They are not mesh, but they are pretty generous with room. So any standard size water bottle will fit in there just right. And it is elastic, so it'll keep it in there nice and snug. Now, if you take a look at the top, the main compartment, you do have one main drawstring and then a buckle, and then if you need the extra room, you have the extra collar that adds quite a bit of height to the backpack. So if you're on a long trip, you have lots of extra space, and then the extra drawstring. The inside of the backpack has lots of room. You have your storage for your hydration bladder right down here at the bottom, and then the hydration hose comes out here on this side and then can hook here in the front. And then this top part goes over as well. If we flip over to the back, we can take a look at how much padding this backpack has. It has a great amount of padding, which is really nice if you're on a long hike. It really saves your back and helps to distribute the weight. So you have here the hip belt, which has a pocket on each side, which is great for carrying snacks on each side. And this is also very adjustable. Just to give you a reference, I'm about 5'2", and this backpack fits me very well. but it also has a really good amount of height adjustment. So you can actually remove the shoulder straps and adjust it up or down. You have this much room for adjustment, so it's really nice if you're tall or short. It can be adjusted either way. The shoulder straps are S-shaped, so that's really nice. It conforms to your body, and this is where your hydration tube would hook in through. Then if we take a look at this, it's also mesh, which is great because if it's humid outside, it's going to help to keep you dry. It's not fun to have a wet back during a hike. On the top of the backpack, I forgot to mention, it also has an extra compartment up here on the top. A great place to keep your map or guidebooks for easy access. And then for any girls that like to go hiking, there is an extra compartment on the inside of the flap where I personally like to keep things like toiletries that you want easy access to. It also has a sternum strap with a whistle, which is great. And the sternum strap is also adjustable, and then it has this elastic which makes it much more comfortable. The whole backpack will move around with your body. So if you are short or tall, this backpack is really great because there's lots of room for adjustment. It has great storage, and again, these front compartments are really great because you can keep your cell phone, your GPS, power bars for easy access, so you don't actually have to take your backpack off to get to any of those things. So that's pretty much it for today. Again, great backpack, and look at the website for any further details. It also comes in other colors. This blue I think is really pretty, but it also comes in maroon, red, or green. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video.